configure automatic file backup on Windows 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to configure automatic file backup on your Windows 11. So since I'm using Windows 10, it really doesn't matter, it's the same process. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your search bar and just search in for, just open your control panel just like this, as I've already searched it. And once you're inside here, just click on this option called backup and restore Windows 7. So just tap on it. Once you click on it, you can see there's the backup has not been set up, so you can just tap on the setup backup over here, and it will take some time to set up your backup. So you just have to wait for a few seconds while it looks for the Windows backup starts. So once the setting setup is done, it will recommend you to choose an external hard drive or your any of the secondary storage. So it's better if you have an external hard drive, and just tap on it and just click on next from over here, and it will give you two options. You can choose the recommended version and just click on next, and you can see there's an option called save settings and run backup, and just tap on it just like this, and it should take you about few minutes to completely enable this backup. And you also get the option to restore your files. You can just tap on it to once it's the process is complete, and completely restore files to your specific desired folder just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily backup and restore your files on your Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.